What's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Legend123 and today we are going to be doing an unboxing of the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. So this is the midnight black version. As you can see, it has Bluetooth and AKG capabilities, and its earbuds have ultimate hi-fi sound with two-way speakers. It has active noise cancellation, much better than the ones on the Buds 2. It has a comfortable fit and it has a 5 to 18 hours of playtime. So it is only compatible with the smartphones and tablets running Android 8 or higher with more than 1.5 gigabytes of RAM, and some features may not be available for non-Samsung mobile devices. Maybe they are casually referring to the iPhone, and the actual device may vary from the printed images. So let's get right into it. Okay, let's open this box. As you can see, we have packaging that contains the instructions, I assume. As you can see, we have a quick start guide. If you want to pause, you can read. If you want to read, you can pause all of this. It is written in other languages as well. And as you can see, we have a warranty card. It's for Sri Lanka only. And we also have a warranty card which is for Australia only. In here we have the wire to charge up the buds. I'm assuming these are the ear tips. And here we have the main cable itself. Pretty nice. And here we have the main event itself. Okay, let's open that seal. As you can see, on first impression, it looks really classy, especially with the matte black finish. They look pretty nice and beautiful also. Okay, let's set this up. Just open the case here. A new device has been found. Connect. So it's attempting to connect with the Galaxy Z Fold 5. So it's downloading the software. I agree. You're all set. So as you can see, we have 14% battery, so that explains the red light. And they don't have that much. Oh, they have a software update. Let's install the update. Okay, there's not much battery. Okay, I guess we'll do that later. So yeah, it has touch controls, it has 360 degrees audio, and it has a device which can detect your voice. I'm guessing it's for Bixby and stuff. So as you can see here, we can look at the settings of the earbuds. Find My Earbuds is there, and yeah, I guess that's it. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment on how should I improve my video below. I'll see you guys in the next video.